Hi there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, you gotta check this out. I got a 2019 Honda Odyssey EXL. Nice vehicle. Low miles, 25,000. Nice alloy wheels, gray in color. Sunroof up on top. Privacy glass around the back of the vehicle. Got nice chrome accents. Backup camera. Oops, I got the wrong key. Darn it. Power sliding doors. Sorry about that. And of course they're not going to work because I got the car on. So I'll have to go up here. You can just pull on the handle like that. Wonder if the back will work. Nope. I'll have to do this one by hand too. Just a safety feature. Nice power lift gate. You got plenty of room back here. Now Honda's got a little bit of a what you would call quasi stow and go. You see you got this nice well down here. Those seats will fold down flat to the floor, or you got plenty of room to put stuff. You got plug-in back here, all kinds of storage. We'll put that down. It's front wheel drive, 6-cylinder. It's got a clean Carfax. There's no branded title or anything on it. It's front wheel drive, 6-cylinder. It's all set up ready to go. Sorry about that. It's all set up ready to go. We went through it. We actually sold this to a customer local. So she was the second owner on it. Originally we bought it at an auction. It's been beautifully maintained. As you can see, it's got nice neutral interior. That back seat is nice and clean. Plenty of room. This is like a driving couch as far as I'm concerned. This middle thing can come out too if you want the quad seating. Cup holders everywhere, nice sleek dash line, AM, FM satellite, backup camera, Apple Play, Android Auto, all your media stuff, dual automatic climate control, auto shift, cup holders, radio cruise control. You got adaptable cruise control, power windows, door locks, mirrors. You got blind spot. You got not power lift gate button. There's your buttons for the doors, lane augmentation, lane departure warning, collision alert, nice sunroof. This car's got it all, but one thing, you know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.